We'll wait till this car's gone. Till this taxi's gone. Fucking bitch.
It's so hot.
You fat fucking fat cunt, that's right.
We got a jacket on.
Eh? Can't do.
Enigma Production.
The honourable man's gone. Look at that, fucking beautiful, eh? That is beautiful. Right, so today, when I turn it's getting hot these days, you know what I mean? And when you turn the AC on, it starts to smell out of these vents. Now I know that my fucking, what is it? Cabin filter is gone and I need a new one. And what you will need is a cabin filter and then any aftershave of your choosing, right? So there's the number for you. Oh, but what number is it? I can't find it. I don't know, mate. Right, so your cabin filter located right under there. Right, so you pass it here, fella. I'll show him, alright? Right, can you see? I can't even fucking see. See one clip there? Come on. Yeah, see one clip there? Can you see it? And then you got another clip there, and all you are doing is just loosen them like that. Just spinning them. Oh mate, why does it go dark, bro? Why does it look? See what I'm doing there, bro? Just spinning that. Spinning it like this. And then it comes off. See that, sweet? See that? Beautiful, mate, and that's what it looks like. Get a close-up of that. What type of screw was it? I missed that. Oh, I don't bloody know. And then the same on the other one. Fucking hell. Oh. Tell you what, I'm getting old. Getting old. There we go, see that? Got both clips done, mate. Then, it's just this, bro. Literally, it just comes out. Look at that, beautiful, mate. Ew. Now, there's the tricky part, right? Now, I'll try and set this camera up because it's right. It is right there. Can you see that? And what I am doing is literally, and it's fucking out, mate. Literally, because look, it's just like that. And you just pull there, and it just comes out. Beautiful. There you go, sleep lid. Here you go, lid. Here you go, lid. Oh, look at that. Fucking hell. Yeah, because when I turn the AC on, it's smelling like a, yeah, it just smells off. That is off. What do you think, sleep, mate? That is off. That is gone. Right, so pretty much that came out like that, didn't it? Yeah, it did. Then, get a little measurement. Yo, it's heavier, this, isn't it? Got some weight to it. Then, I do. Yeah, oh yeah, and I've ordered the module, but it's still not come. And I checked where they're sending it from. Fucking China, mate. China. Spray some fucking, I'm spraying some Creed on it. I mean, obviously this isn't gonna last for ages, but till the first few goes. Once you turn your AC on. Fresh smell of Creed. Smell of Creed. How did that go in? Right, see what I'm doing here, so right, put that in there, yeah, and then get that in there. Where was all? Can't find it. Where is it? Oh, you fucking kid. Yeah. I'm a fucking not sure. Can't fucking find the hole. There's a slice gone. Did I take you out this way, Sadiq? Don't know, mate. Oh, yes, it was. Yes, it was. Come on, don't be shy. See that? It's in, mate. Catch that, Sadiq. Right in. And then, same thing. Same thing, Sadiq, mate. Now this one might get a little bit hectic. Now, see how, oh shit, I should have showed you. See how these have grooves inside them. So what you want to do is you want to put that in there and then slide it, because these things have a little thing for it to sit inside. Beautiful, mate. So find the house, find the fatty house, push it in, lock it in, fucking done it in. And what in blue tarnation is this? What in fuck's mate I think that just fucks off like that. Don't you think, Sadiq? Do you think? Oh yeah, you got holes here. Little bell end holes. See little bell end holes? See a little hole there? See hole? Hole? Go in hole. See that? Oh god, fucking hell, it's hot. Fucking hell, I'm rusty. Fucked. Look, it's like a trick this. It's not actually a hoodie. It's the jacket's got the hoodie in there. You might be thinking I got two hoodies on. No, it's inside, bro. It's built in. Fucking hell. Hot as fuck. Woo. Fucking hell, eh? You didn't sign up for that, eh? Fucking guns on fucking show. Alright. On bloody show. Hey, make sure you get my bald spot there. Look, see I'm fucking balding. Fucking getting old. Look at that right there. Fucking losing it. And when I start wearing a cap in my videos, you know that it's gone fucking bad. That's good, mate. What is this? Fucking get in. Trying to find out.
See.
Oh yeah, you won't be able to. Mate, these people ain't actually half of my retards. They're like, oh, what screw did you use there? How did you take it off, mate? Just watch the fucking video, bro. You dumb. Yeah, mate. Oh, you got to put every single one of these holes in. Fucked. Look at that, one-handed. Professional, mate. Yeah. Yeah. So the module, I don't know when it's gonna come. Oh man, I must fucking do this thing. Let me just get a good angle here. Oh, look at that. This is what I'm talking about. How am I looking? Fit on her. Sexy on her. What do you think, Sadiq?
No.
Fuck off. I'm a fucking snack. Right, and your screws. Screws? Find that. This is pretty much the easiest thing, man. You don't need to watch a how-to to do this. I mean, yeah, you need to watch a how-to to find where it is. But then after that, it's like, just there, innit? Oh, fuck. Right. This angle's fucking doing my back in. Mate, oh fuck that one. Can't love it. Can't fucking I'll find it. How's it looking, Sadiq? Oh yeah, found it. How long are we rolling for now?
How'd you check?
You fucking idiot. It's got a time there. The end.
7 minutes.
Ah! Bastard. I shall milk this till 10 now. Can't. Fuck it. Alright, that's that. See ya. Yeah, see you in the next one, mate. Oh, the next one. Next video with. I mean, I don't know when the module's gonna come. Because the thing is, I ordered it and it says China. I'll try and show you a picture of the thingy, and it says estimated like 25th of June. What's the date today? Yeah, something. 25th of June to 27th of June. That's when it's gonna come. Shipping it from China. Good. I don't know. If eBay's broken. Half of the things on there are broken anyway. So the next video, I think, will either be. I need to wash the car. But the thing is, Nadeem, he don't want to be on camera. It's gonna be really hard, you know, because he wants to wash it properly. He's got like loads of gear, but he doesn't want to be on camera. And then next video will either be a car wash, or I'll be tinting the headlights, or a module, whichever comes first. You know what I mean? Got to 10 yet on that. Hold on. 8 minutes. Oh, fuck it. Fuck off. Leave it. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? Oh wait, I could tell them an in-depth fucking tour of this. Look at that. See that? Now, how gravity works is this pulls it in. You know what I mean? So this fucking pulls it in, right? The induction kit. Oh wait, I need to do a coolant flush as well. Yeah, that's coming as well, bro. Because the gravity pulls it in, and then by using trajectory, the mass of the airflow just comes in. Mate, if you're still watching, bro, I'm milking this till 10, bro. What are we on now?
We got 30 seconds left.
30 seconds, intro's about 15 seconds. Outro's about 10. Mate, I am a master. How's life? So how are you people doing? Leave a comment, tell me how you doing. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah? 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 What are we on now?
15 seconds.
End it. So, see you in the next one.
I'm a different kind of chick.